Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best meal replacement bar. Here are the top 3 meal replacement bars that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. RXBAR Protein Bar. It is a protein bar that is high in protein and low in sugar and is available at grocery stores, convenience stores or online. The flavors include original, chocolate brownie, blueberry muffin and strawberry banana, and others for better taste and versatility. They are made from organic ingredients and contain no artificial sweetener or preservatives for improvement in its taste. These bars are pocket-friendly and can be used as a snack in offices, on the go, lunch, or just a wholesome treat. Each protein bar contains 4 to 5 grams of fiber and is 100% gluten-free, which helps individuals having celiac disease. At number 2. Kind Protein Bars. These protein bars are made with a blend of nuts, whole grains and protein, infused by 3 flavors including crunchy peanut butter, chocolate almond and cherry pie. The bars are low sugar and gluten-free and contain 15 grams of protein per bar for healthy and smart digestion. These bars are made with whole ingredients like peanuts, honey, flaxseed, and are used as a meal replacement or post-workout snack. Its benefits include a low glycemic index, low sodium, and is a good source of fiber for a balanced diet and high energy. Kind protein bars contain no artificial flavors, preservatives, or sweeteners, ensuring a high source of nutrients and added ingredients. At number 1. Sans PB&J Meal Replacement Protein Bar. The protein bar is made with all natural ingredients and no artificial sweeteners or flavors added for high strength and a sustainable meal. It is a healthy snack for anyone who has to watch their weight, and it can also be used as a meal replacement when dieting. This meal contains 12 grams of plant-based protein and 2 grams of fiber per serving and is available in different supermarkets. The bars are gluten-free, paleo-friendly, vegan, kosher certified, and contain no preservatives. It provides sustained energy and helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels, which ensure proper workability and easy transit options. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.